is Katherine, and I love laptops. Hello, is this Mr. and Mickey's laptop store? Yes. I would like to buy a laptop. Sorry, we're all out. What? When I get mad, I make a weird sound. No laptops. Yeah. Yeah. I can't believe my parents gave me a laptop for going to college. Yay! There's one left. Hey, that's mine. Yeah. And that's the story of my life up until today. Yeah. Hey, wait! I still need my laptop. Where did she take it? Yeah. That's so funny. Yeah. Hey, there you are. Yeah. Hey, wait, come back.